Start by ensuring your earbuds are fully charged. Afterward, open the lid of the charging case without removing the earbuds. This action will automatically turn them on. Now, on your iPhone, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth. Here, you should see Raycon Earbuds appear under Other Devices. Simply tap on it to connect and voila, your Raycon earbuds are now paired with your iPhone. The process is quite similar. Just like with the iPhone, ensure your earbuds are fully charged and open the lid of the charging case without removing them. Then, on your Android device, open Settings, go to Connections, and then Bluetooth. Under Available Devices, you should see Raycon Earbuds. Tap on it to connect and there you have it. Your earbuds are now paired with your Android device. But what about other devices like laptops or tablets? Again, the process remains consistently simple. With your device's Bluetooth settings open, ensure your Raycon earbuds are charged and within the open charging case. They should appear in the list of available devices. Click to connect and enjoy the exceptional sound quality of your Raycon earbuds. In the event you encounter any issues, a factory reset often does the trick. To do this, press and hold both earbuds for about 4 seconds until the LEDs flash red. Release the buttons, place the earbuds back in the charging case, and close the lid. Wait about 10 seconds, then open the lid. The earbuds will automatically turn on and be ready to pair again. Even the most sophisticated technology can have hiccups, so don't be discouraged if you run into any problems. Remember, troubleshooting is part and parcel of the wireless world. Now, as we draw this guide to a close, consider what you'll do with this newfound knowledge. Will you be sharing it with a friend, connecting your devices right away, or perhaps even exploring the other features of your Raycon earbuds? Whatever your next step, enjoy the limitless possibilities of wireless technology at your fingertips.